registered or create an account with Artisankonect, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and update your KYC as an artisan. And in order for you to do that, once you log in into your dashboard, you're going to see this information right here on the screen, right? KYC is being processed. You will be able to use your account once it's verified. So what you need to do is to tap on the update your KYC link. Then it's going to take you to the account section, and from the account section you'll be able to go ahead and update your KYC. So right here you click on update KYC. So once you click on update KYC, the next thing you want to do is to select a valid document you have with you. All right, so we accept national identity number, voters identity number, international passport, and driver's license. So if you have any of these four documents, you can use these documents to verify your account. All you have to do is to go ahead and input the identification number and also upload a document. Also upload the picture of that particular document right here. Right, so you click on choose and you're going to browse your image and upload it. Then once you're done, you click on update KYC, and your KYC is going to be reviewed by our team, and it takes about roughly 1 hour to 3 days to get approved on Artisankonect. And lastly, if you try to access other pages on Artisankonect, you notice that it's not working. This is because you haven't updated your KYC, and once you update your KYC and you've been verified, you won't be able to see this message again on your screen, and you can start getting jobs automatically on the system. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and connect your bank account to Artisankonect, so you can actually go ahead and withdraw your money. All right, so as you can see right here, the balance is zero, income is zero, job is zero, withdrawal is zero.